Hi students, today's topic is e-commerce, internal strategy implementation, supply chain management. Definition of e-commerce. E-commerce means EC. Electronic commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services. It is a process of buying and selling, transferring or exchange of products. It refers to the buying and selling of goods or services using through the internet and the transfer of money and data to execute those transactions. Different types of e-commerce: B2B, B2C, C2C, C2B, B2A, C2A, mobile commerce, B2G, C2G. A means administration. Next one, key elements supporting for e-commerce. There are the 7 elements are there. First one, supplier and supply chain management. It is the management and includes all process that transfer raw material into final products. Example, farming, designing, manufacturing, packaging and transportation. And second one, warehouse operation. These are the integral part of our company's business strategy. A decent store with own warehouse operation has thousands of products at any time on its inventory. And third one, shipping and returns. Customers can return or exchange the products for their orders. Shipping is using on outsourced services and also within the 7 working days of the order delivery. Next, fourth one, client relationship management. It is nothing but software and policies. CRM needs to be customer concentrate. They should understand needs and wants of the customer's purchase pattern so they can recommend the most suited products. Next, fifth one, e-commerce catalog and product display. Online stores catalog, of course, it is just a small part of the whole e-commerce store business. And sixth one, marketing and loyalty programs. Loyalty programs is online are so important that they should be a separate items of marketing. Loyalty is really hard to acquire those days. Loyalty management is an approach to marketing based on strategic management. So, most user will be searching for the lowest price. Next, seventh one, showrooms and offline purchases. Showrooming is the practice of examining merchandise in a traditional like retail stores or other offline setting and then buying it in online. Finally, we'll conclude e-commerce. The internet has led to the birth and evolution. E-commerce, it has now become a key component of management or organization in the daily running of their business. Next topic is internal strategy implementation. Strategy implementation is a technique through which the organization to develop. In this, there are the 7 importance of internal strategy implementation. First one, contact your strategic customers and suppliers, determine what the industry is doing and extracting strategic leadership, building a capable organization, linking budget to strategy, instituting best practice, installing support system, evaluate and purchase the proper tools, create a project team, documents their requirements, hire a consultants, designing strategic control system, building a strategic supportive corporate cultures, designing strategy supportive reward system, installing support system. So in this way they can implement the internal with the organization. In this way the strategy implementations tasks are done in organization. Next topic is supply chain management. Chain management is the process and activity of sourcing the raw material or components. It is also the management of flow of goods and services, involves the movement and storage of raw materials, of work in progress, inventory from the finished goods to ultimate consumer. Next one, logistic is the process of and executing the efficient transportation and storage of goods from the point of original to the point of consumers. Example, warehouse, inventory management, demand planning. It is also the backbone of which supply chain or drive. It refers to the management of flow of goods and supplies involving information, data and documentation between the two entities or points. SCM from the point of dispatch from the factory to the point of delivery to the customer. Strategic role for logistic. It is a change the way the supply chain is managed and closely linked to other strategic decision. The recognition of strategic impact of logistic is one of the most important for the supply chain management. There are the objectives of logistic: reduction of inventory, to reduce the cost of operation, to maintain transparency in operation, reliability and existency in delivery of performance, maximum damage to products, quicker and faster response, to offer best services to customers. And the next one, functions of logistic. In this we can see first one, order processing, inventory planning and management, warehousing, transportation and packaging. The role of logistic features: transportation, delivery, storage, packaging, distributing and processing and also information. Let us conclusion logistic. SCM. It involves joint collaboration between outsourcing partners, suppliers and customers. For the logistic, the aim of effective logistic management is to improve the efficiency of the operation, ensuring customer satisfaction and increase productivity.